We're in Word 2019. Let's take a look at how we can use the text highlighter. Highlighters have been used in books for many years to highlight certain sections. And by default, you're going to see yellow as the highlighter, but there's a lot of other options. So, for instance, if I drag my left mouse click over the last word, I can click on where it says text highlight color and get a yellow. However, I've got some more creative things that I can do besides just highlighting in yellow. So for instance, I can choose the entire sentence and put that in yellow if I want, or I can make other parts in other colors. So for instance, let me take the word how, hit the drop down, and I can make that a green, or I can make this one a dark blue, which of course doesn't make sense in this case, but I can take my letters, I can drag over the letters and change my letters to white. So it makes sense now because it's offsetting that dark blue color. I can also take a word I've already highlighted and I can change it to be a new color as well. So we've got a lot of different options that we can use with our highlighter. And if you change your mind on all of it, just go ahead and select whatever text you don't want to use highlighting and click on No Color. And now our highlighting's gone. And of course, we're going to want to redo our text color there. And now that's back to the way it was.